Windows play a bigger role in your home's comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal than most people realize. Over time, even the best installed windows can lose their effectiveness. If you're a homeowner in Richland Hills, spotting the early signs that it's time for a window installation upgrade can save you money, improve your home's comfort, and even boost its value. Below are the most common indicators that your windows may be due for a replacement. Rising energy bills. One of the first red flags is a steady increase in your heating or cooling costs. If your windows are old, have poor seals, or are made with outdated glass technology, they can't keep outside air out and indoor air in. In a climate like Richland Hills, where summers are hot and winters can be chilly, this can cause your HVAC system to work harder, and your energy bills to spike. Modern energy-efficient windows with double or triple glazing, low-E coatings, and insulated frames can dramatically reduce energy loss, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Drafts and air leaks. If you feel a draft even when your windows are closed, it's a clear sign something is wrong. Air leaks can occur due to worn weather stripping, warped frames, or gaps from shifting foundations. In Richland Hills' windy conditions, this can make rooms uncomfortably hot or cold and create uneven temperatures throughout the home. A professional inspection can confirm whether ceiling repairs will suffice or if a full window installation upgrade is the smarter long-term investment. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows should operate smoothly. If yours stick, jam, or require extra effort to open or close, it may mean the frames are swollen, warped, or damaged. This could be caused by moisture damage, rust in metal components, or simple wear over decades. Not only is this inconvenient, but it can also be a safety concern. In an emergency, windows should open easily to provide a quick exit. Visible damage or decay. Cracked glass, rotting wood frames, or peeling paint aren't just cosmetic issues. They can allow water infiltration and pest entry. In humid or rainy spells in Richland Hills, water damage can spread quickly, leading to mold growth and structural problems. If your windows show significant decay or visible gaps, replacement is often more cost-effective than repeated repairs. Condensation between glass panes. Modern double and triple pane windows are designed with insulating gas between layers of glass. If you notice fogging or condensation inside the panes, it means the seal has failed. Once the seal is compromised, the insulating gas escapes, and the window loses its thermal efficiency. This is a common problem in older windows and usually means the entire unit needs to be replaced. Outside noise intrusion. If street noise, barking dogs, or traffic seem louder than before, your windows may no longer be providing proper sound insulation. Newer windows with laminated glass or insulated frames can significantly reduce noise, creating a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. For homeowners in busy parts of Richland Hills, this upgrade can be a game-changer for comfort. Outdated style or poor curb appeal. While function matters most, the look of your windows also affects your home's value. Faded, mismatched, or outdated designs can make a house appear older than it is. Installing modern windows in styles that complement your architecture can refresh your home's appearance and increase resale potential. making the upgrade worthwhile. Replacing your windows is an investment, but it comes with long-term benefits: lower energy costs and reduced HVAC strain, better comfort in all seasons, improved safety and ease of use, higher property value and curb appeal. If you notice any of the signs above, scheduling a consultation with a trusted Richland Hills window installation professional is the first step toward a smarter, more efficient, and more beautiful home.